Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is petulant. It's pronounced pe-tu-lunt, and it's spelt P-E-T-U-L-A-N-T. Think pet, then the letter U, and then lant. Petulant is an adjective. It describes a person acting childishly or in a bad-tempered manner. Petulant is another word for sulking. Petulant is derived from the Latin adjective petulans, meaning impudent. Impudent means not showing due respect for another person. Petulant is a disapproving term used to describe a bad-tempered child or an adult who is behaving like an angry child. Using a word like angry or annoyed shows a person feels this way. They feel angry or they feel annoyed. But using the word petulant indicates that this person's anger is unreasonable or unjustified behavior. For example, Moody Margaret from the Horrid Henry book series could be described as petulant, as she is always sulking and complaining about Henry. Here's how you could use it in your day-to-day speech. If your friend is angry over something small, you could tell them that they are being petulant and childish. Be prepared for a bit of a conversation after that, though. Or you could use it to describe players who rage quit and then leave the game when they begin to lose a match at FIFA or they are defeated in Fortnite. If you're playing a board game, such as Monopoly or Cluedo, and someone sulks and refuses to play when they're losing, come on guys, we've all never done that, we know that, come on, then that is petulance. Maybe I did this a few times when I was younger. You could also use this word to describe younger siblings if they are sulking. Instead of saying they are grumpy or annoyed, you can say they are being petulant if they are acting unjustifiably and in a very immature way. Petulant is defined as easily annoyed and complaining in a rude way or childishly sulky. Its synonyms include bad-tempered, moody, sulky, touchy, and whiny. Antonyms include good-humoured, easygoing, affable, amiable, friendly, happy, warm, and cheerful. So, try not to be petulant today. Don't be sulky or bad-tempered. Instead, crack on and have a top time. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.